Hello, prospective BSc Extended students. If you've applied for and been accepted to the BSc Extended program, I just want to explain to you a little bit more about what that is. Firstly, to introduce myself, I'm Dr. Marguerite Walton. I'm the coordinator of the BSc Extended program. So my email address is there. If you've got any questions or queries about the extended program, please feel free to contact me and I will get back to you. So if you've been accepted for the BSc Extended program, first thing you need to know, it is a 4-year degree, where the mainstream, we refer to it as mainstream BSc, is a 3-year degree. When you're finished, when you get your degree, you have exactly the same degree as the mainstream BSc students. So there's no difference in that. The difference is it will take you 4 years to get your BSc Extended degree. What we do is we take the first year of the mainstream BSc and we split it over 2 years. So you will do the first year that the mainstream students in the BSc does over 2 years, and we're going to build in some additional support. So what we're going to do is give you some more support to make sure you're ready for the challenges of first and second year university. So what we're going to do, well, firstly, let's look at the programs you might have been accepted for. These are all the BSc Extended programs we offer: Biochemistry, Chemistry, Microbiology and Physiology Extended, Biological Sciences Extended, Environmental Sciences, and Geosciences. Those are all the extended degrees. So check and make sure you know which one you have been accepted for, and then there's slight variances in what subjects you're going to do. In this talk, I will just give you a general idea of what to expect in the BSc Extended, and we're not going to talk about specific modules that are different with all these programs. So what we're going to do in the BSc Extended, in your first year, you will do 2 of your mainstream modules. The mainstream BSc students will do 4 main modules, or sometimes 5. But for example, botany and zoology. You will, in your first year, and this could change depending on which stream you are in, but I'm using those as an example. So in the first year, you will do botany 1 and zoology 1, where the mainstream students do botany, zoology, chemistry, and physics, for example. You will only do the botany and zoology part. But added to that, we build in additional support. And this is what the support looks like. Firstly, you will do what is called science academic skills. Now, this module is offered by scientists, is designed for scientists. It's not generic skills that you might have learnt about in your life skills module in school. This is specifically to help you cope with university studies in a science degree. So it's made just for you to make your life easier and to support you so you can be comfortable in your BSc degree. You will also be doing English for science, and there's no Shakespeare or poetry there. It is an English course offered by a scientist, designed by a scientist for science students. So, for example, you'll be helped in that module to write your reports, because for the modules you are doing, you're going to have practicals, and you're going to have to write reports, and you must be able to write a report. And what you've learned in school might not be sufficient. So in English for Science, you're going to be taught how to write your reports nicely, how to do your references, and there's a lot of other aspects coming in. But it's made specifically for science students and offered by scientists. And then you will also do pre-calculus, a little bit more mathematics. We're not going to really repeat what you've done in school, but we'll fill in some gaps and stretch it a little bit further just to get you ready for the challenges of the year that follows. Then during your second year, you will have some more compulsory modules. Now, I already said in your first year, you'll do 2 of your mainstream BSc modules. So for example, botany and zoology. In your second year, you'll do the other 2, for example, geography, geology, or something like that, depending on which stream you are in. But you will also in your second year do science academic skills. You will do English for science, some more of that, and computing fundamentals. And then after year 2, you will slot in, when you are doing your third year, you will slot in with the mainstream BSc students in their second year. So what we are doing, we're taking the first year of a mainstream BSc, spreading it over 2 years, giving you a lot of additional support just to make sure that you can cope with the challenges. So yet again, if you've got any questions, my email address, you can write it down, send me an email, and I can help you and assist you with your questions. Thank you very much.